Hi, I'm Ted Geisman, President Weiler Labeling Systems. Let us show you how to go from cut and stack label to finished product without the glue. For over 20 years, we've been providing the highest quality pressure-sensitive labelers to the marketplace. We're most well known for difficult applications in pharmaceutical and medical devices. But today, I'm not here to talk about those labelers. I'm here to talk about our latest product offering, our N-Series rotary cut and stack labelers. But these aren't your ordinary cut and stack labelers. When we think cut and stack, we say lose the glue and adhere to a new standard. All companies look to grow their business over time, and WLS is no exception. So when looking for a new opportunity, we want to look beyond pressure-sensitive labeling and beyond our current customer base so we wouldn't cannibalize our current business. And in doing so, we came upon a company named New Label Technologies. And New Label is a young, energetic company that's developed activatable adhesive technology. And activatable adhesives really seem to lend themselves to cut and stack labeling, which we currently don't do.
New Label and Weiler partnered together, combining our leadership in activatable chemistries with their leadership of domestic manufacturing of high-speed rotary labelers to create the perfect solution for brands that offers the lowest total applied label cost, the highest overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, and the ability to go zero waste to landfill and provide that compelling offering to your consumers.
Over the past 18 months, we've been developing the RL840N here in our Chicago facility. And when developing it, we didn't want to just develop hardware that, of course, applied the label in an excellent fashion. We wanted to develop a piece of equipment that had ease of use and flexibility for the customer. So let's take a look at some of the key features of the RL840N, and I know it'll become obvious to you why it has generated so much excitement. As a result of the no glue feature of the RL840N, we've been able to implement a number of positive changes on what we call our cut and stack module. The most obvious is visual, of course. It's the elimination of the glue roller you would normally see here. No glue roller means no finicky adjustments for the glue roller. There's no glue pump, no priming of the glue pump, no glue reservoir. In fact, no glue components anywhere on the machine. In fact, you don't even need to refill the machine by carrying glue from a remote location when you're low on adhesive in the machine. In addition, labels that utilize New Label activatable adhesive, they look and feel like normal cut and stack labels, which is excellent because that means there's no special training required for the user to load the labels into the machine. And since the adhesive won't get sticky until we tell it to, you can store these labels like ordinary cut and stack labels.
Activatable adhesives provide for the lowest total applied cost with the most cost-efficient way of labeling and decorating a container. You have always sticky glues with wet glue and always sticky adhesives with pressure-sensitive adhesive. But with New Label, what you have is this very unique proprietary coating that can be applied to existing substrates at high speeds and allow for that lowest total applied cost in your container. So it's not getting all over your equipment, it's not messing up your product container, it's not causing all this extra maintenance, change parts, and downtime to wash down your machine.
Because there's no glue, there are no glue paddles, and instead our picking is achieved with vacuum. It's robust, and in fact the 840N, which is designed for a maximum speed of 650 bottles per minute, has been tested up to 750 picks a minute. After the label is picked from the magazine with the adhesive side in, it's transferred to the placer wheel, and there it's held with vacuum as well, and this allows for activation of the whole label without voids that you see with glue paddles and gripper pads. With the activatable adhesive now facing out, the label's passed in front of the spray module, which automatically sprays activation fluid in both the right location as well as at the correct density. Another advantage of vacuum pick technology is it allows for specific branding on your label. In fact, I think that looks like a WLS diamond to me. What's unique about the 840N is it comes standard with programmable stepper motors. Just by selecting a different recipe, which then of course controls the motion profile, which is created through the HMI. To perform a run, you just confirm the appropriate recipe is loaded, select the speed that you'd like to run at, and press the start button. And of course the recipe defines what that product is and how the machine needs to handle that product and the corresponding labels. In addition, machine jog is the touch of a button. as is manual control of certain functions on the labeler. As with all industrial automation, downtime due to changeovers is a big concern. So of course the RL840N uses all toolless changeover, as evidenced here in our picker pads on our cut and stack module. For a given label of a given size that needs to be changed, the clamp is just opened, the pad removed, and a new pad put in place, set to the appropriate height, and you're ready to run. When the label comes around, if the placer pad needs to change its shape or size, it's easily snapped off and a new pad put in its place. And of course, in the rare event that the entire placer wheel would need to be changed, a simple spin of a knob, a lift on the placer wheel, receipt of a new placer wheel, put in the machine, replace the knob, and you're ready to go. And of course, no cleaning up the glue in between changeovers. It's just that easy.
The process of getting away from your current cold glue system and migrating over to the Weiler new label technology platform is actually fairly easy. You can keep your existing label suppliers, you can keep your existing label substrates, your existing containers, your existing designs. We simply give you more tools to unlock your brand in ways that you couldn't before.
Obviously, there are many options available when ordering the RL840N, such as 12, 16, 20, or 24 motorized platforms, of course depending on your speed, container, and label size. There's an automated and motorized turret height adjustment driven directly from the recipe. And of course, we do laser or inkjet printing on either the label or the bottle. With many years of experience integrating Domino lasers into our pharmaceutical line of pressure-sensitive labelers, and with Domino, of course, being a leader in the food and beverage industry for laser printing, it was seamless for WLS to integrate the Domino laser into this RL840N. When you need to start a run first thing in the morning, power it up, press start, and go. Although the RL840N is available, designed and manufactured to IP25 wash down standards, we doubt you'll be washing it down very often. Because when you lose the glue, you'll lose the mess. I hope you found this video interesting, informative, and exciting. And when you find yourself evaluating another cut and stack labeler, I hope you'll think about 3 words: lose the glue. Please contact us for your own personal demonstration of the RL840N.